back to the channel. Guys, happy new year 2023. And guys, today I'm going to reveal my December 2022 earnings on medium.com. So as you can see, I am on the November earning page, and in November I made $29.90, my friends. And I was always going to strive and work hard on medium so that I can get to about $100. $100 was my main goal on medium in December. Let's go, my friends. Let me show you my earnings for December 2022, and you will see some major changes due to the Christmas and New Year bundle. Medium was promoting for $25 per year. Nobody used my membership referral link to join Medium. That is why only I got $6.81 from referrals, which is equivalent to 3 referrals. Per referral you get $2.24, I think. So this stat didn't improve. However, my total earnings on Medium in December 2022 is $130.31, my friends. And I wrote, I think, over 35 to 40 articles, my friends. The story earnings are $123.50, and my new goal on Medium is to get to $150 in January, my friends. So let's see the highest earning articles. Google is working on some amazing artificial intelligence products, fetched me $15.12. OpenAI's GPT-4, the much anticipated follow-up to GPT-3, $12. ChatGPT, the new frontier of artificial intelligence, $11.75. GPT-JT, the new open source approach to training AI, $8.75. And OpenAI forecast $1 billion in revenue by 2024, 8.7. Palm versus ChatGPT, 8.69. This article has given me so much money, my friends, that I have pinned it on my profile, and it has given me $71.65 up till now, and it's still giving me money every day. So it really helped me, my friends, how I made my first $10 on Medium. ChatGPT versus GPT-3, and so on, my friends. A lot of articles did really well regarding ChatGPT. The Zuli Rain article that I wrote didn't do any good at all. I was expecting a lot from that, but I think nobody in my audience liked it, the Zuli Rain article. And I'm going to show that article stats to you guys, because it's very important. I thought that it would be very good. Only 13 cents, which is nothing, to be honest with you. Didn't get that many views as well. Also, my friends, I didn't get curated this month. I didn't get curation. However, I got around about 26,000 views, 6,000 reads. So for the read time, I think the money is not that much, my friends. This is a struggle for me, the read time. And if you look at my about section, I am a top writer in future reading, social media and writing. But these being a top writer in future reading, social media and writing doesn't mean that much, to be honest with you. This isn't curation, my friends. Anybody can be a top writer in any given tag. And also, my friends, I started two new publication, Life Race and Night Riders. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of these new updates. I think jumped to over 410% in my earnings. So your feedback is welcomed. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar for future updates. Thanks for watching, my friends.